fucking saying nonsense. Like,
no, you heard what she said. Like, I'm always saying shit around. What do you mean I'm always saying shit around?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So like you just saw in this video, Angel and Liquorose had a clash yesterday just before the Saturday night party. Now, what led to this clash? The housemates were in the dining area and of course they were talking about each other's attitudes during the early weeks of the game. So they talked about White Money being proud, Pere being an instigator, Angel being a snub and so on. And the conversation eventually got to Queen and Boma's situation, you remember, right? And while the conversation was going on, Liquorose was telling Angel that she contributed to the whole Boma and Queen situation and problem, and that she calls Queen her friend but was flirting and following Boma, and Pere and the housemates agreed to what Liquorose said.
Remember, you said that Boma would tell Queen good night and you go upstairs. You two.
that's what I'm saying now. I didn't hold her down.
They left the girl and she was not mad at her.
As soon as Angel heard that, Angel went from 0 to 100. And why would Liquorose do that? Why would Liquorose be saying a lot of rubbish about her and all of that? But while that was being said, Emmanuel just pulled Liquorose to himself and, calmed her down, making sure that she did not, respond to what Angel was saying. And as soon as Angel saw that Liquorose was not responding to her, she now redirected her fights to Pere.
Be fucking saying nonsense. Like,
no, you heard what she said. Like, I'm always saying shit around. What do you mean I'm always saying shit around? No, why would you say I'm always saying shit around? What should I say around?
Nini said too. I agree with Nini.
Now, what was the issue with Pere? Pere was saying that Angel has a strategy and that her strategy in the house is flirting with the guys. And this did not sit well with Angel.
Now, strategic.
You don't strategic fucking liar. Pere, you piss me off with this fucking shit that you say. It's very personal because you were saying something.
Now, after she blasted Pere for saying that she has a strategy that is flirting, right? We see Pere telling some of the housemates that, you know what? He's going to shut Angel's mouth up the very soon. He will do that. For every time he says something, she just comes back to him and starts saying a whole lot of other things.
One day, I will shut this girl mouth. Yeah, but not shut her with your fist. I don't tell her how I want to take her, but one day I will shut her because...
We then saw Liquorose in the blue room having a conversation with some of the housemates, and of course she was angry and she was fuming about the fact that Angel was getting angry and what everybody was saying. I mean, everybody was having a joke, right? Everybody was just having a field day. White Money did not get angry, Pere did not get angry, but when it got to her turn, she got angry. And then Liquorose was like, you know what? I said what I said. If you want to get angry, get angry.
I'm like, oh, such a thinking person. Let's all guide the matter. The next thing, like, oh, Liquor is always saying some shit around. I'm like, excuse me, I said what I said. What do you mean I'm saying some shit around?
Now, Angel was in the other room with Cross, and of course she was telling Cross that, you know what, I do not have a relationship per se with Liquorose, and why is she joking with him, why is she making jokes about me, that she does not like it.
Like, there's sometimes you say something, I'm like, stop it, like, what's your mouth?
I've told her, like,
I don't need to have, I don't need to have that conversation with her because I didn't think we had that deeply.
Moving on to my next gist, Pere has come out to say that, you know what, as soon as he leaves the house, when he gets outside of the house, he's going to see if his girlfriend is still there, but if she's not there waiting for him because of whatever he has done in the house with Maria or whatever it is, right, he's going to beg his girlfriend, even if it means going down on his knees, even if it means him leaving the country immediately because his girlfriend is not in Nigeria, she's in the US, right? And of course, whatever it takes, he's going to use to beg his girlfriend, as he cannot lose her for anything.
My own thing is, I hope she's still there. Because me, I will beg.
Yeah.
I swear. I will beg.
Queen has come out to say that if White Money is the person for her, why not? She's ready to go into a relationship with him, as both of them have understood each other in the house. They've had back and forth, they've had fights, and they've been able to settle it. That she's willing to give it a shot if they get outside of the house, and she wouldn't think twice before giving White Money a chance to be her man.
If it's actually the one for me, why not? I like him enough to, get involved with him. If he's going to be, he's already understanding.
On a lighter note, Saga won 2.5 million naira yesterday at the Lipton Iced Tea Challenge in the house.
Saga, you have won 2.5 million naira.
Finally, before I leave, I'm going to leave you with this audio.
Yeah, so congratulations to all of you. Somebody post something for this platform, said Big Brother is going to reward those people. That's as in number one, White Money, as in chef for the Big Brother. You see the reward? He rewarded him 1 million, meaning that he's going tomorrow. See Saga for woman lover in Big House this season. See Angel for not be wearing bra for his nakedness. Congratulations to all of us. We are on the winning side. Today, don't be biased. Don't just talk anything. Just continue to praise God. These people are going tomorrow. I told you people that Nini is going to stay back. But you people are not. Nini is going to stay back. But these people are going. Queen might stay, might be the top 6. Just watch how things will be. Okay, they rewarded Queen last time. So... They rewarded Queen either yesterday or day before.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video and share this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. Until next time I come with you very soon, it's bye for now.